How to add holidays in Basic Calendar. First, launch the Calendar Creator app. Choose Create from Scratch option and hit the Finish button. Now choose Add Holiday from Event menu at the top. A new dialog box will appear with country, state, and region. Choose your desired country, state, and region. After choosing the country, state, and region, click on OK button. In this way, all holidays will be added in calendar against your selected country, state, and region. If you want to see all events in single list, then click on Show Event List. After clicking on Show Event List, all events, holidays will appear in single list. Thanks for watching.